Your first alert to the smoke across the valley. We're going to walk around our tour of cameras here, our Skycam network at the Dakota Magic Casino. You cannot even see Interstate 29 in the background behind the flags there. Now as we move northward into the FM area, we've had some improvement here, but it's still very hazy and extremely unhealthy air quality. Look at this, a little bit farther visibility in the Grand Forks area now as there's a little bit of clearing going on there. And how about Devil's Lake? Well, still certainly at the very least some smoke still in the atmosphere there. Let's take a look at that air quality alert again. No apparatus in place across portions of North Dakota to issue such an alert, but it's unhealthy for many areas as we go through the evening. Let me take a walk through the visible satellite. We've got smoke and you can see it. This is kind of milky colored stuff you see drifting south toward Minneapolis, St. Cloud. This is what made its way into our neck of the woods. It's more clear in the Devil's Lake Basin, punching in with some west winds into Grand Forks. And these are just good old-fashioned clouds. So we take a look at that southern valley. This is where things are the thickest right now as we're looking in. There's Hankinson at the Dakota Magic Casino. And you can see a little break coming towards Fargo here as we've approached the 5 o'clock hour. A little bit better in the Red Lake Falls area towards Crookston. You can just kind of see the pall in the air exiting to the southeast. Here's the source region of the fire. Some of them. We also have some in Manitoba, but this is Western Ontario, north of Kenora by about 42 miles, and you can just see them. And watch here closely. These fires picking up steam and actually putting out even more smoke in the middle of this drought. Smoke forecast, a little break for some of our Devil's Lake Basin counties. That's the clearer air with less smoke, but this is the heavy, unhealthy air swirling around Friday morning. It returns at us from the south. Where you see the purples here, it's really bad. So Southern Valley, worse shape than the Northern Valley, where you may have a day break from some of the smoke, at least the thick smoke. But take a look at this. As we head into Saturday, models suggest a slam from the north again with critically unhealthy levels spilling right into much of our area. Update on the drought. It has expanded in parts of the central Red River Valley. More of us are in the severe condition. It continues very bad. In fact, the severe or better category in the central Dakotas and western portions of Minnesota. Temperatures near 80 to 83 here in the FM area. North wind. It's a lot drier out there, with dew points down in the 40s as opposed to those drippy 70s. Speaking of which, your forecast yesterday, we said it'd be cooler and in the 70s in central Minnesota. That's the case, a few 80s elsewhere. Much cooler out near Hettinger. Why? Well, look at this. Much needed rain along the South Dakota border, mainly staying south of Interstate 94. It's all moving off to the east. No thunder and lightning with that. And the hour-by-hour forecast shows if you live in the Lemoore County area, Dickey County, maybe Sargent, Ransom County, possibly Richland County, a chance for a sprinkle. I think the rest of us will stay dry and smoky. We start out near 60 degrees. Then we will see temperatures rising a little warmer as we go through your day tomorrow. Afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms are in the planner. So here's what you can count on tomorrow in Fargo. We start out near that 60-degree mark. We're ramping things up in the afternoon. Morning clouds exit. We'll see sunny conditions and 80s here and a lot more 80s across the region, including central Minnesota as you warm up as well. Kaylee sharing a Twin Valley harvest photo as we head into the forecast extended period Saturday and Sunday, low to mid 80s in the forecast. Thick smoke right there. Again, as you saw, returning Saturday, and it sticks around, Mike, until the south winds return. I don't see that happening until the middle of next week.
Trying to figure out when I should mow my lawn. It's either going to be hot or you're smoky.
Right. Yeah. We haven't had much good luck with that.
No, tough times. Thanks.